So we're headed west on Route 180, Maryland 180. So it should be interesting to see, again, as we start to get up a little higher in elevation, we should see, see the changeover from this very wet snow with not a whole lot of accumulation on the ground to, a lot more in the way of, kind of not wet snow. I'm not sure how you want to term that, just snow, I guess. And I would imagine, we'll see more snow on the roads and obviously more snow accumulation. But it's, it's an interesting, kind of statement on microclimates. You can go just a mile or two and, see very large differences in microclimate. In a matter of a mile, you can go from rain to heavy snow, and it just depends on, on the elevation, the microclimate. Alright, so we're starting to make our climb up towards Jefferson. The roads have a little bit of snow on them, not too bad. Certainly not just wet anymore. Ironically, this back road might actually be better, better conditioned snow-wise than Route 340, which is a freeway. I definitely see a lot more snow on the road here now. So we had a couple of branches come down just right there. So definitely a lot more snow on the road now. Slow down things here a little bit as we kind of get into more snow. So as you see now, here we are. We've gone maybe a mile west, but I mean we've gone up, probably about 500, 600, 700 feet, and it's a big difference. Road is snow covered. A lot more snow on the ground up here. So roads are completely snow covered now. So as you can see, it's the snow's no longer wet. So there's the Jefferson Motel here on the left-hand side. That place has been around forever. I guess people stay there, but I don't know if they rent by the night or by the hour. But so see, we got a couple plows up ahead here. They're plowing the road up here. So we're getting up. This is the main intersection here in Jefferson. Pull off here and grab some photos. It's always fun to grab pictures of flowers with snow on them. Although normally you'd kind of see that type of thing in the spring. Those early daffodils. That's the pastry shop and the butcher on the right hand side there.